So hey guys, what's going on? It's DJ here with my bro Jeremy right here, and this time I'm actually holding the camera vlog style, and I'm about to show you guys what we're having for dinner, because we always have the, you know, like the cooking slash food segment on this. That is homemade fries. And
pork.
Or wedges.
Yeah.
And pork's underneath there, some onions. There's some, is that broccoli?
Cut up broccoli. Yeah.
And then we're gonna have that with some rice. Should be good. Let me see. Let me get into that.
Which one are we doing?
Two birds.
I'll get the names of these songs eventually. I know them look like
It's okay.
Listen to the speaking, I hear what you're saying. Your lips make means, this is what you want to, punch you like this. Get up, a little, stop the clock. It's all sweet because you want to hear what you have to say. Don't say it's just pulling me down. Break out what you know and leave out the rest. And I confess all the sins that I'm guilty for. I'm guilty for. Get up, little, stop the clock. Sounds good because you want to hear what you have to say. Listen to stay and find the words that you want to say. Get up, stop the clock. It's all sweet because you want to hear what you have to say. Listen to stay and find the ways that you want to say.
You're probably like really close to it. Yeah, because it's zoomed up. Right there. That thing is disgusting. That's bigger than the one that we saw and killed the last video. Ah! It's right there. But that little thing. Did you kill it? You already killed it with one hit. Wow.
Let's go.
Alright. You dead. That's good. Okay, not me.
So hey guys, what's going on? I'm pretty far from the camera, but I just wanted to show you guys. I'm holding the tripod right now. There's some home fries there, vegetables, and then some steak. It's kind of like the lomo, but it's like a part, and then there's some hot sauce. It should be really good.
What a shame you can't play this waiting game. Oh, what a shame you can't play this waiting game. Split roads, same goals. So what's keeping me from getting a hold? So you were safe this life through my veins like a bullet rushing.